so you are going to come into a side plank, feet are stacked, or you can bring that top one in front. If you want it even harder still, you can lift the top one completely. Okay, making sure chest, belly button, and hips are all pointed in the same direction, and focusing on that big full inhale and exhale, maintaining a little bit of tension with each inhale. On your back now, we're going into a full dead bug, so head and shoulders are off the ground. Opposite limbs extend with your exhale, getting those limbs as long and as straight as you possibly can. Again, keeping that core nice and tight. You should not feel this in your back at all. From the hands and knees position, you are doing a full bird dog. So as long and as high as you can get those limbs up without letting the back arch and the belly droop, really maintaining that good core connection. Exhale as you extend. Coming into a nice good front plank, everything from your shoulders, your hips, and your ankles in a nice straight line. Core is super engaged. And you're driving away from the floor without letting that back round. All right, so we're going into a split squat with a rotation. So your feet are in that lunge position. Band is off to one side. The band is off to my right. My left knee is in front. As I come down into that split squat, keeping my knees straight the entire time, I am rotating through the core over that front knee. Okay, exhale as you lift, lower and lift. Inhale as the band is back at standing. If you're enjoying this workout but you want more, you want to be able to follow along from the beginning and get a lot more details and really check in on your form, I have the full thing ready to go inside my membership, so just click the link below. I will drop it in the description for you. And of course, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask any questions if you have them. And I will see you guys next time.